Help your little ones save the earth one step at a time, and they're wearing this style from Geox Kids. This silhouette is made with some recycled materials. It's part of the World Wildlife Foundation collection. This design uses elastic laces with the word Save Our Planet on the front, and it has a hook and loop with a hidden zipper on the side so they can unzip this style and slip their foot in with ease without having to fight the laces every single time. The inside is also made with textile to keep it nice and breathable, with plenty of cushioning in that foam footbed underfoot. That footbed is antimicrobial to keep it super healthy on the inside, and the upper is made with recycled materials in the canvas with some suede overlays for added appeal and durability. The outsole is a one-piece rubber design with a vulcanized strip across the midsole. It's got plenty of flex in the forefoot, and it uses that Geox perforation that allows any water or moisture to drain out of the shoe, but it won't let anything get back on the inside, creating a very healthy and dry foot environment.